Hi, Esther. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you today?
Doing well, thank you. So how long have you been coming to our salon?
I've been coming to females probably about 4 years.
And what do you like about our salon?
I love all the technicians that you have, their techniques, the service, and the professionalism that you receive here.
So how was your service today?
Excellent.
And what do you like about getting acrylic?
I love that I can get any shape that I want, and it's durable.
And that's why you choose acrylic over all of your other products?
Yes.
And if you were to tell a friend about getting acrylic with us, what would it be?
I would recommend it.
And is there anything that we can improve to make your experience here better?
Not really. I mean, you guys are really always on top of your game.
Well, thank you so much, Esther, for sitting down with me today.
You're welcome.